Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chrysler Pacifica transmission. This process can often resolve minor shifting issues and improve overall performance. It essentially clears the transmission's learned shift patterns, allowing it to adapt to your current driving style. We'll cover the steps to perform a basic reset, which you can do yourself without special tools. Let's get started and get your Pacifica shifting smoothly again. For a basic reset first, get into your Pacifica and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, slowly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. Hold the pedal down for at least 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, gently release the accelerator pedal. Finally, turn the ignition completely off. This simple sequence helps initiate the reset process for your transmission's computer. After performing the basic steps, it's important to wait about 2 minutes before starting your engine. This allows the system to fully process the reset command. Once you start the car, drive it normally, avoiding aggressive acceleration or braking initially. The transmission will begin to relearn your driving habits over the next few miles. Pay attention to how it shifts. You should notice smoother and more responsive gear changes as it adapts. If a basic reset doesn't fully resolve your transmission concerns, remember to check your transmission fluid levels. Proper fluid is crucial for smooth operation. For persistent or more complex issues, it's always best to consult a qualified mechanic for professional diagnostics. They can identify underlying problems that a simple reset won't fix. Also, for those looking for ultimate comfort and durability, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.